What's up, everyone? It is your boy Tony Fatayomi, but once again, I go by T Fade, and I'm back with another update. I know it has been some time, but I promise you guys, as you guys know, I am a cybersecurity engineer, so like, just work with me. I will be getting more consistent as time goes by, so I do apologize. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers that celebrate. You guys are appreciated, but without further ado, let's get started. So, as you see, I have increased $90,000 from the last update, and there's a reason for that, and I'm going to show you guys why. So as you guys can see, my biggest winner is the ETF Soxel, and so for the new people here that aren't familiar with what an ETF is, ETFs are basically like basket of stocks that I usually recommend to older people that are kind of like scared to just like choose one stock or don't have time to research each individual stocks. Well, Soxel is the basket of stocks for AI stocks. So I always tell people if you're not really looking into AI too much or you don't really know which stock to invest in, just choose Soxel. So as you guys can see, we're up $30,000 and it's going amazingly well. And I think this party is just getting started. My second biggest winner is ARM, and that's the company that they design every single chip that are in MacBooks and Apple products. So if you have an iPhone or if you have a MacBook, then you would not be able to use your MacBook or iPhone without this company. And also, you guys can check out my performance. So the overall stock market is only up 10.78% this year, and your boy is up 41.61%. So I always tell people, like, you can beat the market. I know everybody is just like, oh, I'm just gonna invest into my 401k or the S&P 500. No, we need that fast wealth. Obviously, we're not trying to get rich quick. We're trying to get wealthy quick. Let's go. So now, guys, I want to introduce to you guys another opportunity that I'm currently stalking right now. I think this is about to be my next big winner, and I'm loading very aggressively on this play. And the play is called Solana. So to be honest, I missed the boat on Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin is already too high per se. And one of my mottos is I only buy things when they're on sale. So for example, guys, like if you guys ever wanted to buy a car, and let's say the car is usually like $100,000, would you ever buy the car at $105,000? No. You would want to buy the car when it's at a discount, right? So currently, Solana, it was just at $295. Now it's only at $146. Guys, I'm telling you that it's going to rebound. One of the reasons why I think it's going to rebound as well is that we have Congress and all these politicians passing all these cryptocurrency legislation bills, and a lot of the politicians currently invest into Solana. So another cheat code that you guys want to use is just follow the politicians because they usually know what's going to happen before us, the little people, do, if that makes sense. So currently, Solana, like I said, it's 60% off. If you guys saw a pair of Jordans, a Birkin bag, a G Wagon 60% off, you guys would buy it. So this is a no brainer. So I'm currently going to be loading up on this for the next months to come. Now, next, this is a topic that I kind of want to just brush over. I don't want to spend too much time on this topic because this is above my pay grade, but currently a lot of people are freaking out because it seems like Israel and Iran, and I'm going to kind of give you guys the cliff notes between this war that's about to take place. Well, it's already taken place. Israel and Iran have historically never liked each other. Um, Israel has always wanted to take over Iran as well. They've always seen them as a threat, whether it be terroristic or whether it be just geopolitical. They've always wanted to take over the land in Iran, similar to how they wanted to take over the land in Gaza. So I just think that there's going to be a lot of noise. We may have to go to war to help Israel because sadly, Israel funds a lot of our political systems. Even in this last election, they gave $200 million to both Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. So we're deeply indebted to Israel, and sadly, that we kind of may have to help them in this war. So I just want to let you guys know that there's going to be a lot of noise. The stock market may go down just a little bit, but guys, I promise you, the stock market rebounds every single time. Like we've seen it during COVID, we've seen it during the 2008 crash. So you guys might see a lot of headlines about the world is ending, World War III. Guys, just keep investing. I promise you. If there's one thing's for sure, two things for certain, you're gonna pay taxes, and the stock market is gonna go up. Think about every time someone makes a deposit into their 401k is going into the stock market. Every time someone makes a deposit into the IRA is going into the stock market. Like the richest people live off of this system, so it's ready to go up forever. So don't get scared on the Israel and Iran headlines that you guys are about to see coming soon. And then once again, I wanted to give you guys some more AI news. So it's good news and bad news. So Amazon is currently using AI to shrink their workforce. Translation, that means that sadly, a lot of people, at least in Amazon, their job may be replaced by AI. So that's a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing because if you're an investor into Amazon, the stock is going to go up even faster because what a lot of people don't realize is the more money a company spends, the slower its stock goes up. Like you want to move as efficiently as possible. So that's why sometimes it sucks. But when we see these layoff news, a lot of investors are actually happy that Amazon is going to be moving more efficiently, as they would say. So, and honestly, Amazon is about to spend billions of dollars investing into AI. So guess what? They're going to spend billions of dollars investing into AI, and guess who's going to receive that billions of dollars? Our stock portfolio. So once again, keep investing so you can benefit from this current uptrend that's happening in the AI world. Another example of this is Facebook, Meta. So they're currently behind on the AI train and they're trying to get caught all the way back up that they're even offering certain people $100 million bonuses if they're specialists in AI. Now, hey, I know I'm a cybersecurity guy, folks, but hey, man, that's looking too juicy. So even me, I have been looking to transition into the AI field. However, I do believe that this AI craze, at least from a professional career aspect, I don't want to say it's going to be short lived, but I think these crazy salaries that they're offering may not exist forever. So, but once again, you have Facebook and Meta willing to offer people $100 million bonuses just to come work for them. So imagine the amount of money that they're going to pump into the AI economy. It's about to be so crazy. So once again, invest into Soxel so you can get exposure to the AI growth in your portfolio. And now, guys, we got to talk about the Federal Reserve and the current money supply. So this is a chart of all the money that we're currently printing in the United States. And this is just the United States. So we're currently in an uptrend. So what does this mean? This means that the Federal Reserve is printing money and basically they do this to stimulate the economy because they feel like, with all the tariffs and just wars and geopolitical events that are happening that the economy may need some help. Kind of like, when your car is running on E and you got to pump in some gas. This is basically what the Federal Reserve is doing. Now, if you go back in history and you see every time that they've done this, where does all the money flow into? I always tell everyone, just put a lot of your money into assets. Honestly, put most of your money into assets because I guarantee you all this money that they're producing is going to flow into three places: real estate, stocks, and cryptos, and you can even say gold. But bottom line is it's going to flow into assets. Now, the bad thing is if you're a person that just saves all your money in dollars, the value of your dollar is going to continue to shrink. I was having this conversation with someone the other day, and we were ordering Chipotle, and we like when I first came back to America, because as you guys know, I did border school in Nigeria. Chipotle, a bowl of Chipotle was maybe only like $7, $8. When I got to the checkout, my bowl of Chipotle, the same one that I got, and I want to say it was like 2015, 2014 ish, that was only for $8, is now $23. So that's why I always stress, always invest, stop wasting your money on designer, stop wasting your money on vacations because you will get left behind if you don't make smart moves. Let's be smart, folks. And then lastly, I just wanted to end it with my current crypto portfolio. So as you guys can see, Um, to be honest, guys, I'm believing in crypto less and less unless it's the top three. So I'm still gonna keep some Chainlink, B Chain, Injective, Cardano. But to be honest, guys, if you just want to be safe, just put all your money in Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum. Like I'm slowly losing patience because, and it's funny because Bitcoin, I mean, well, not Bitcoin, but these small cryptos are supposed to grow faster than stocks. But lately, they haven't been growing as fast. So I highly encourage you to. I know that everybody wants to gamble and just get rich as fast as possible, but stocks are the way to go. Like, trust and believe. If you put, like, right now, I'm recommending to people put 90% of your money in stocks and just 10% of your money in these small cryptos. They may pop off, they may double, triple your money in one day, but it's seeming that the more legislation that's coming out, it just seems that the government is only focusing on the big cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So even me personally, I don't feel like putting any more money into crypto. So I'm just gonna leave. Right now, I have $25,000. If I wake up one day and it's 100K, cool. But I'm probably going to not put as much money as I usually do. But that's it for this episode. Please leave a comment if you guys have any other ideas that you guys would like me to make a video on. And very soon I will be dropping a video on. There's these new air taxi companies, flying car companies. We got to talk about that soon. So hopefully you guys have a great day. See ya.